Tech fans, welcome back to Mobile Munch. Today, we've got something special on the menu, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. It's like a gourmet smartphone feast. Let's dig in. 1. Design and display. First up, the design. A sleek, glass-fronted beauty with options for a silicone polymer back. Yes, eco-leather. And guess what? It's IP68 dust and water resistant, so accidental spills won't cramp your style. Now, the display. Brace yourselves. We're talking about a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen that's as vibrant as a summer sunset. With a 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+, it's like having a mini cinema in your pocket. And that peak brightness. A whopping 1800 nits. Your eyes will thank you. 2. Performance and memory. Under the hood, the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra chipset is our secret sauce. It's built on a 4nm process, which means it's efficient and powerful. Imagine an octa-core CPU doing a tango with the Mali G610 MC4 GPU. Multitasking? Piece of cake. And memory? Take your pick, 8GB, 12GB, or go all out with 16GB RAM. Storage options? 256GB or 512GB. Say goodbye to storage anxiety forever. 3. Camera magic. Let's talk cameras. The triple camera setup on the back is like having a photography studio. 200 megapixels main camera. Yes, you heard that right. It's a pixel-packed wonder. 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens for epic landscapes. 2 megapixels macro lens for those up-close and personal shots. Selfies? Covered. The 16 megapixels front camera is ready to make you look Insta-worthy. 4. Lightning fast charging. Battery anxiety. Not here. The 5000 mAh battery keeps you going. And when it's time to recharge, buckle up for the 120W wired charging. Seriously, it's like a pit stop for your phone, 100% in just 19 minutes. 5. Flavorful colors and price. Choose your flavor: midnight black, moonlight white, aurora purple, fusion purple, or even a cool camo green. Your phone, your style. And the price tag? Around $329. Not bad for all this tech goodness, right? What you think about this phone, let me know. That's a wrap, folks. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, a blend of power, style, and affordability. Would you rob this phone? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tasty tech content.